Welcome back, future victim. Today we are installing the gate because we enjoy making our life complicated. So let's see what we will do in this video. First we will install gate and set up basic configuration. Next we will create our first repository and create our first gate and make our first commit, and at the end we will question all of our life decision. Okay, let's look let's look the improve git installation guide. So for Windows, Mac, Linux, most of the time Linux has already installed, and for Windows and Mac we need to download git, and there should be option for different case. Let's say we have Windows, so you will be download this and click next. Nothing else, just as usual you install the apps using press next. I think X amount of time. So for Mac user, you just need to download and that's it. Download and move to the application folder. So let's look at the now for basic configuration. We need to open our terminal. So let's open our terminal there, and let's copy this gate configuration. So you need to use names and just uh, give it a name in your GitHub or something like that. Give it a name. We need another chance and give it and press enter. I already have set up configuration, so I don't need it. Next, we need to set up our email. So the email you are working on future to connect your Git with GitHub. If you give that email, that should be helpful for you in future. You can give another email because you can change this file anytime. Let's say okay, then hit enter. That's how you do the trick. So that's the basic configuration you need to uh, set up before you push any commit. Okay, let's create a new git. For Windows user, just I think it is same for Mac and Windows everywhere. So let's say first gate. So we need to open terminal. So I don't use Mac that much. So I will just go to it terminal. So you guys don't need it because uh, most of Windows you have a option open with terminal. There should be a option open using terminal. So you don't need this document. Okay, I am my current document directory, so that should be it. And I want to go yes. So let's say we don't have anything in this, so we need to create a enter a command for okay, let me increase the size. I think okay, so git init. I will give a comment and file these files and these files I will give them you guys. So don't worry, the comment, the terminal I am writing stuff. So first git init, so its initial is the git. Okay, now you will see a folder there. Okay, folder is hidden behind this, so let me show the hidden folder. Okay, let me show you the terminal. Yes, so this is git folder, so it's hidden, that's why guys don't show in file manager. So most of the computer hidden folder don't show as usual, so you can uh, change the setting as not regular in Mac. For now I am new user, that's why I don't have an option to look up it. So let's look from terminal. Here you see, so if you are working on a project or file, never delete it because it will mess up your project. You will need to debug in whole night. Okay, now let's say we will create a file, and so I created a file readme.md. So let's say I write few stuff there. Let's look at this. Um, Where is the folder? Just write it using VS Code. Okay, that's also fine. I need to open my new VS Code window, so drag in there, there, there. Okay. Is dash. Okay, let's save it. Command is, and now we can commit. If I type git status, it will show that I have a file I changed. So every time you change your file in this directory, it will shows. So need to few command to give us our life help. First, let git add readme.md. Yes, that should be now git commit -m. Okay, that's committed. So that means we somehow create a point where we can change, uh, even if we change this file again, we can just go back this commit initial commit easily, and this is the commit number. You will need it in future, but for now it's just a random number. You don't need anything. Let's talk about common mistake. So a lot of common mistake we do is, let's say I am creating a new file. Okay, in Mac it's difficult to create a new file. uh, I, I don't have experience for now. Well, there's just a use command line, uh, hello.py. Okay, let's say we have a new file hello.py. So status hello.py, we have a new file. So it says we have a new file changes, but we did not uh, commit anything. Now let's say first common mistake I talked, that sometimes we did not we forgot add before commit. Okay, so git commit, so we will commit adding hello file. It will give me error. So it says that uh, nothing is added. That's mean nothing is added, but untracked file is present. That's mean some untracked file is there. The hello.py is there, but it's not added. Okay, it's not added for the commit. So let's just get add. Uh, okay, dot means we will add everything in our directory. If you give file name, it will be add only file. But if you give dot, it will be add everything. Uh, Even if we have a multiple file, it will be add just anything. So let's commit git commit minus m, adding new files. Yes, so it will be added. So now it's added perfectly. There will be branch name, there will be commit name, commit id. So next mistake I am talking about, you guys, for beginner, uh, commit wrong branch. So as for now you don't know about the branch that much. So just make a reminder. Sometimes we commit there. Let's say you have a commit branch means timelines, like you are living a parallel universe, so there is a different timeline. So you are making a apps, you have a different type of like direction. One direction is going to be updated your server component, another direction will be updating your front end component. That's it, nothing else. You can merge branch, and so sometimes we push the incorrect branch. So let's talk about another. So a typo most of the beginner do, like git add dot. So as you can see, that's add dot. It says add has a similar. So but we did not give any space. So that's what it happened. So it says we should give a space, but for all we need to give dot for everything in our directory, to add everything in our in current directory. So that's will be add everything. Now let's, okay, another mistake is git commit. We forgot, sometimes we forgot to add this one. Okay, well, you are done. uh, we created file and added git stash and save commit. Now you may regret that why you start learning it. That that's for that's issue for everyone. Okay, we go through the everything. Next time we will look for branches, how we manage branch, and it's like timelines. One mistake is not enough, so we should get a multiple timeline for us, so that even if we go get mistake, we should move another timeline, something like universal truck. Okay, okay, thank you everyone.